Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I have a project share for a swap that I'm doing with the Facebook group Paper, Paws, Card Making, and Swaps USA. The swap is for a Valentine's Tags mini scrapbook album. We were to create 5 tags in the size of 3 by 5 in the theme of Valentine's Day. We were to embellish and decorate them and then attach the 5 tags with one of these little rings right here. So these are the tags that I created, and most of them are made using the cutouts from some single sheets of paper that I hauled from scrapbook.com a few days ago. So the papers that I used, the tops are made using the red and white stripes from this Paper Studios North Pole production stack. I also used cutouts from this Pebbles Forever and Always XOXO Quotes 733620. I also used some paper from this Simple Stories romance sheet, and this is the last cutout that I have left. I also used this Squawk. It's 379174, and this is by Crate Paper. I also used this Crate Paper main squeeze. It's called Honey 379163. I used some of these hearts from Hobby Lobby that you can get in the wedding section, and they're the His and Her brand. Then I used some of these puffy hearts, and they're from the Target dollar spot. These enamel dots, and I got these from Tuesday Morning. And this is the bow that I use. This is a bow die from my stash, and it has little hearts in it. And then I got these Sticko little stickers, dimensional stickers in a swap, and they're Christmas themed, but they matched with my tag, so I went ahead and used those. I used some of these stickers, foil stickers from the Target dollar spot. And then I used this, the largest tag die from this die set, Framelits with Stamps, and it's a Stephanie Bernard Sizzix die, and it's 659650. So here are the tags again. You can see where I used the bow die, and this right here is the felt trim that you can get from the Target dollar spot. I used one of those Target stickers. I just cut around it and then put some black washi. This is a piece of the paper that I cut out from that romance stack. Use one of those lace flowers, and this is just a piece that I had in my stash from a swap. Just plain red paper on the back, and then I had some cutouts that I did from my scraps. So what I do is I take a lot of my smaller stitch dies, and then I cut them out from my scraps when I'm not doing anything. Let me open this and show you a few. So I take my scraps and I use these smaller stitch dies that I have in my stash, and I make little labels for the back for the to and from, and I just put them in this little container. It's like one of those little can containers that I had. I got some tags from Target, and I put them in here. And here's the second one. And this is all one of the cutouts. I used some red bling, some more of that felt trim, and that's the back. Here's the other one. This is one of the cutouts, some more of that trim. These are the enamel dots. Then I just used some bling that I had in my stash. Here's another one. Here's those Christmas enamel dots with the cutout. This is a little flag that I had cut out from a little die set that I have, and the flag, it looks like this. It's from a Christmas die set, And then these little stickers I got in a swap. They're actually on a Christmas sticker set. And that's the back. And then my last tag, the puffy stickers, another cutout, a little Be Mine sticker, some of that felt trim, the little bow, another little to from on the back. And those are my 5 tags. I'll also include some of these little embellishments that I made. And what I did was I just took a 6x6 piece of paper and I left the, these are actually the rosettes that you can get from Michael's, the pink ones, over by where they have all the color coordinated stuff. And I just used some of those hearts. These are some Recollections heart stickers and other little stickers I had in my stash. I left the stickers on the vellum paper and I glued the vellum down to the cardstock so they won't move. And these little chipboard pieces here are actually little Dollar Tree stickers, and I just put these little puffy ones on top. And this one I got from AC Moore. And then those are some of the little shaker hearts from the Target Dollar Spot. These clips are also from the Target Dollar Spot, and I have those on there with foam. And there's a puffy heart, then some more of those Valentine stickers, and I'll give them these embellishments. And then I also have this little box here. I got them in a pack, I think it came in a pack of 6 from orientaltrading.com. So I put the box together, and I guess they had been stored for so long that this piece stuck, so I just cut it. And then I'll just put a piece of tape here to seal it, and it's just a little heart box. And I'll include some little stickers, and then I'll put some candy and some other embellishments in this little box. And that's all I have to share for this project for the Paper Paws Card Making and Swaps USA. I'll be sure to leave a link to my scrapbook haul as well as to their Facebook group below. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Bye.